Hello and welcome to this Prisma tutorial. My name is Frederick from Prisma Customer Care and I will be explaining the Comfort Bid functionality for short-term auctions. Comfort Bids make it possible for you to tell Prisma how to place bids for you in future auctions at a specific network point. You can create Comfort Bids for all auction types except within-day auctions. This tutorial will show you how to create a day-ahead Comfort Bid. There are different ways to start this process. One way is to find the desired network point from your favorite network point list. Click here to open the drop-down menu and select Place Day Ahead Comfort Bid. Another is to find the desired network point via the search bar. Click here to open the drop-down menu and select Place Day Ahead Comfort Bid. A third way is to navigate via Transport, then Auctions, to the Day Ahead Comfort Bid section and click the Day Ahead Comfort Bid button. No matter which you choose, you are redirected to the Day Ahead Comfort Bid page. If not already set, enter the network point you want to create a Comfort Bid for. Then select the time period in which you want the platform to place bids for you. Next, you select the capacity type. Specify your minimum and maximum capacity as you would in a manual bid. Choose the balancing group or the portfolio code. Select whether to activate rollover of your desired capacity, so that if you are not allocated any capacity, your request for capacity will be moved to the first within-day auction. Then you have the option to add another Comfort Bid or to finish the setup process by clicking Save and Continue. Finally, review and agree to the network point TSO's terms and conditions and press Save and Submit. Your Comfort Bid is now set up and Prisma will now bid for you, provided there are auctions available based on your settings. At any time, you can see and change your active Comfort Bids in the Transport section of the platform. And whenever a bid is placed in your name by the platform, you will be informed via email. There are a few things to keep in mind when it comes to Comfort Bids. Firstly, know how much of your credit limit has been used when setting up your Comfort Bid. The platform lets you create a Comfort Bid without checking available credit. However, bids will only be placed at the start of the auction if you have enough available credit. If you do not have enough credit, the platform does not place a bid, and you will not receive an email notification letting you know that there is not enough available credit to place one. If you have questions about credit limits, we have a separate video around this topic that may help you. Secondly, the platform can only place bids for you in existing auctions. If you wonder why you did not receive capacity, and you're sure it's not a credit limit issue, it is very likely that the involved TSOs have not made the capacity available for auctions. In this case, please contact the participating TSOs directly for more information. Thirdly, for day-ahead Comfort Bids to be successful, they need to be placed before the start of an auction. Once an auction is running, the Comfort Bid will not place an automated bid. I hope I could provide you with helpful information, but if you have any further questions regarding this topic, please do not hesitate to contact the Prisma Customer Care team. My name is Frederick and I wish you a pleasant day.